Gĩikaro-inĩ kĩa mabũrũri ma ngwatanĩro ya IGAD kĩrĩa gĩtabanĩirio gũkũ Nairobi gĩgĩtongorio nĩ President Uhuru Kenyatta, atongoria arĩa manyitĩte itemi gĩikaro-inĩ gĩkĩ matarĩirie ũrĩa gĩtarũ kĩa Afrika gĩthiĩte na mbere na kũhutio nĩ ũgarũrũku wa rĩera, o rĩrĩ kĩracangĩra na hanini tu harĩ ũgarũrũku ũyũ. Atongoria aya arĩa nĩ hamwe na President Uhuru Kenyatta, President wa Djibouti Ismail Omar, Prime Minister wa Ethiopia Abiy Ahmed, James Wani ũrĩa nĩ mũnini wa President bũrũri-inĩ wa South Sudan, na Abdel Fattah wa kanjũ ya ũrũgamĩrĩri wa ihinda bũrũri-inĩ wa Sudan, maugĩte ũgarũrũku wa rĩera nĩguo ũcangĩire mamwe ma mabũrũri ma ngwatanĩro ya IGAD gũkorwo ũgwati-inĩ wa ng'aragu.
The drought, as our chairman has said, the worst in 40 years, has intensified food insecurity, dried up water resources, and forced displacement of people, raising tensions that could trigger new conflicts. And we urgently need to manage the drought before it becomes a threat multiplier.
We are already talking with Zambia. They have maize. We are negotiating with millers to see how they can buy that maize at a lower price and in huge quantities to impact on the prices. That is already working. In a week or so, we will be able to see some results of these measures.
This summit meeting, Your Excellencies, is an unmistakable sign of our solidarity and eminently improves the standing of our organization. It also sends a clear message to the region and the international community that leadership is seized of the pressing matters in our region by our own selves.
Gĩikaro-inĩ gĩkĩ oho atongoria aya nĩ marĩrĩirie ũhoro wa ũgitĩri, ũndũ ũmwe na ũgwati wa itoi, na makĩria bara ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩgĩthiĩ na mbere gatagatĩ ga bũrũri wa Ethiopia na Sudan.
Kenya will also continue to work towards strengthening the conflict resolution capacity and overall capability of our regional institutions, and in particular, the East African Community, the Intergovernmental Authority on Development, and the African Union, to make them more effective.
Atongoria arĩa mekinyĩtie gĩikaro-inĩ gĩkĩ kĩrĩa nĩ kĩa 39 nĩ maugĩire ũhoro President Uhuru Kenyatta ũrĩa ũrarĩkia itĩna rĩake rĩa wathani mweri ũkĩte.
You have promoted regional integration by your proactive engagement in advancing trade, infrastructure, and harnessing of blue economy to address development as opposed to aid dependency. Excellency, once again, you have championed human security agenda and societal stability by advancing response to climate change.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.